Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kini gilong ki khubor bam takasngi usembut menteri rangba kang jela Meghalaya umas Sngewkhia Dhar hakasngi palei ula penpau ya kajin sosi bat kajin Sngewkhia ka bajur halor jingïakynad bat kajin penjulor kibami nakarali thuk bala penlong dak khasi student union KSU Hashlong haba keren sigilat pathai khubor uba Dhar ula pha ya kajin solem syaki lanot bat ki bahaying hasem jongki ula ong bakalong ka basmusi bah kumkini ki jinja kinmi na kajingïakyi paiba usembot menteri rangba ula kubur baka KSU kalabu ya ki babun kimat kentup ya kajinwan rung kerthep ki menderi kimat ki bayadei bat ki nong trei bat santeli kimat jing dawah henrei ula banjur badai ban penbaik yaki jing'e lengba ka jingïakynad bat daki lenti ki bajajai ula penpau baka sorkar kalong ka bakloi ban bishar ya kimat ki basyongnya bat banyakren bat kaseng hakaju kapor ula ong ba omdon manoru ubadai ban syim ya kaan hala ki jong kikti penmensau ya ki breu ki balului ne penjulor ya ki property jongki paiba ubat Dharula pentip ba kibor badai khmi ban tokit benia ya ki jinja ki ba yadai bat karali bat kinle katkum ki kandon ain
katum dai ko mai kum ni kala ki bol sin ki di bro ni respect ni kum the state ni ni busuk ki bro nga karpa nang ni sikmat khamtam ni bro khamtam bi ki shumen ba ni na samagi kinwan ni sin bajai ni ki yes, dan kanu bisu gratis ni lakot ni katawar dulu sorka katli pero khat kanya katli ka hanong ban bihi to kutup kom mensulek kumaban sungat so blay bangat kalong islam pura very important jadi apa guys anta bi victim ko sa apa ni to I apologize with them and then willing yo kumu no yalam to state na karpa di sen halang ki KSU ku di giveru so maban wan dan sen jaya melay kata kali rally kali inclusion ka tudon ba le bahale banikan ni gero isu tibik sorka ga jingkhang kali ande armosul komputer no problem tidak kata ni le jona le bitti bi bis ni khali amo satu gade state ko din boro state bi bi sub da ko ta ko boro banong gibriu kin defining ikum state bi in the violence that right kamle kata ni le I request peace should be maintained and because in all the other people, all the other symbol who have met the incidents day, so I would like to apologize. So it should be anything shouldn't happen anymore in this state, especially in Islam city as well.
Ma bilang niyo man ang nomor ba KSU ko ako po asangsi
For the kwak ng tutup sarkar ka, boleh dikamta. Kalau mawailan ula kan menilo hamari dekat regarding with the demands 4 or 5, yes, government said for talk, let them come for the issue. The door is open, let us see. PTB baka sorkar jongi ke NP-led government. Bonsen ke sorkar bi kalau flexible ha. Kabam jojet iki he han kabam jojet iki ya baro ni kemen bani dadok bat kino bi ni ada pasti. Kami dari bat KSU ni bat kewek Sngewkhia ni bat kewek stakeholder. They are most comfort. Kalau buon di demand busuk secondary, apa pun di ke problem will solve on table. Always ada normal process. Anja nang banle nang kami kaya ibu kadem.
Jom dia baka dia baki penkambak lagi kulit.
Mau ni kambak lah ke anja tip kaya banle.
Tapi dan iban ong pat ini ki kot isu belah sakem.
Simple. Nga request baro the control KSU bar kudu iki bagi swalo tong ini long jaja no tong ini maintain ke peace and security always ta ada ni keling gua
Pidan
discuss ada public time no problem with that
So
the government and especially from my side we request peace always I request KSU member and all other organizations and include all the people of the state let us maintain peace always. Yes, if there is any issue flags, so the door is open to talk.
KSU has raised
And CM When Mawala as the health minister after the cabinet, he will be very clear. They are most welcome to come. Let's see, maybe in a day or 2 years, we'll see.
So are you?
Let him come. So I think all these problems we used to face before, so always we are dealing the right manner. The question of delay doesn't arise, the question is too fast it doesn't arise, so I tell you.
Sir, we have seen that in
Then, what does Newton law Muslim say? There is reaction for every action. Therefore, I need to maintain peace. I request all of you to maintain peace. Minister is the right person to inform you
sir, coming to this
about the government, so not from my level, it's from CM and home level, they are to discuss with other counterparts all of this.
so as
Very sure, but I think they must have talked each other.
are you also taking it up with the chief minister or the
Chief Minister and Home Minister we are contacted, they are on job to get this thing normalized. It will be okay, don't worry. I trust my people, I trust my youth, and I trust all of you. Let us be cool and calm out together so that peace will come in place. Always there are differences, but we can solve it together. No one can do it, but everyone can do it.
so sir this
We know very well. Whatever rally happen, whatever provision happen, always we expect peaceful rally, and especially for this KSU, so it seems they only give undertaking was good to see it will be a peace rally. So yes, very very unfortunate. So that's how government will see on this how to tackle this matter.
this is like the
I'm not the right person to ask that they'll continue or not.
sir as
We are still discussing with other counterparts to bring back peace.